Are you dreaming of a life post the lockdown when everything goes back to business as usual? Well, everything is unlikely to go back to normal so soon, and in fact, this is what normal will be like in the months to come. The government is very likely to wind down restrictions in phases while keeping social distancing norms in mind, as well as keeping an eye out for a spike in cases. These are the couple of things that you can expect in the near future.
The first thing you should not do is stop washing your hands. Wash your hands for 20 seconds or rub it with alcohol-based hand sanitizer, as this is one of the most effective ways to kill the virus you may have picked up on your hands. Wash your hands after coming in contact with people or surfaces. Remember also not to touch your face, as you may transfer the virus to entry points like ears, nose, eyes and mouth. You'll have to keep wearing a mask when you go to public spaces, even at office, so keep a few handy. While weddings are permitted with 50 guests and funerals with 20 people for now, there has been no easing of rules for any other ceremonies. So it will be unwise to plan big birthday parties or religious events until the virus outbreak stabilizes. It would be advisable not to make unnecessary travel plans within the country and especially internationally. It's unlikely that international tourism will resume in coming months while the jury is still out on domestic tourism. However, wait to know the government guidelines before making travel plans that you simply can't avoid. Travel also won't be as before. You may have to arrive hours earlier in order to keep up with the increased screening and boarding processes that have to abide by social distancing norms. If movie theaters open up soon, then watching movies will not be the same as before. There will have to be different arrangements made for seating to apply social distancing and more orderly entry and exit from the halls. When bars and restaurants reopen, they'll likely do so with limited hours, like closing at 11 p.m. for example, social distancing and limited capacity. It's up to you to be careful about protecting your health. Too many people jammed in a closed space is probably the best environment for a virus to spread. It would be best for a while to keep your contacts minimal, and no matter the limited contact you make after the lockdown, make sure you keep a track of the people you have prolonged interactions with. Keep a logbook of such interactions, who, where, when you met. This could help later in contact tracing. If you have successfully worked from home these last couple of months and weeks, then prepare to be doing so more regularly now. Also, large physical work meetings will be a thing of the past. Hope for the best, but be prepared for a second surge of the viral disease. However, there's nothing to be fearful about that as long as we are careful about social distancing and hygiene practices.